Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use PayPal. And then if you are new to PayPal, it's very easy. You just need to register using your email and a password. So that's all they need to get started. And as soon as you are logged in, that's when you will need to confirm your cell phone number, your physical address, your full names, and they also need your ID number. So this is it's very similar to your bank account, your local bank account. So I'm based in South Africa, and I just wanted to show those who don't know what PayPal is and how it works. So PayPal has been giving out $5 for the past few months, I think since last year, July. Okay, I received my $5 sometime this year. I think it was in March or April. So we are going to Google USD to ZAR. So PayPal is strictly in US dollars, and whatever currency you might be using, it does allow to see like the estimate, especially with the euros and the pounds and also the Canadian dollar. So here in South Africa, as you can see, the exchange rate today is 16 rands and 14 cents. And what I did was I came here and I inserted $5. So it simply means $5 is worth 80 rands and 70 cents. So what we're gonna do is that we are firstly going to register personal account. So if you're new to PayPal, please register using a personal account, because a business account is good for like when you already have a business, because they do charge something like 2 point something percent on each transaction, or it depends. I downgraded my business account, so I honestly don't know how much they're charging right now. All right, so as you can see here, as you can see, this is my dashboard. These are my friends. I have sent money to quite a few people, and this is my balance. So it'll show you your balance. But if you are new, it's not going to show you the list of friends here. Yes, so it's contacts. So PayPal allows you to send money using someone's cell phone number or an email address. So in case you send me money and I have not yet registered with PayPal, it does give me a chance to register on the spot. So it will send me the money, but I will not have access to the money until I have registered. Okay, so if someone wants to send you money, don't stress. Just give them your working email address, and you will take it from there. So like I said, the process is very easy. And as soon as you logged in, it's going to show you your name here, and you'll get options on your left, and you get to send and request money from your contacts. And if you have been sending money a lot, it will have a list of contacts down here. But if you're new, it's not going to have anything. And I like the fact that even if you make a mistake, so we're going to type someone's name and see if it's going to pick it up. In most cases, it will say something like this. Okay, so I made a typo. I just wanted to see. So I don't have any dollars in my account, but let's see what it says. So in case you have money, you are going to follow these steps, and it's going to ask you, what's this payment for? You can select sending to a friend or paying for an item or service. So I'm going to say I'm sending to my friend. right? So as you can see, I have my cards already linked to my PayPal. But if let's say you don't have any cards, it's gonna say you cannot send money because your balance is 0. Okay, so here when you have a card, a Visa, this is my Visa card, so it was a virtual card, and as you can see, they are charging me in dollars. So these ones are my South African bank accounts, bank cards. So I have 3 of them that are linked on my account, and they are telling me whatever that I'm sending, they will charge a fee of 7 rands and 78 cents. But if you have funds in your PayPal account, then they do not charge anything, right? Similarly, if you want to top up your PayPal balance, yes, they do charge a certain fee. So I'm not too sure how much is that, how many percent is that, but I'm sure we can find that on the help center. So whenever you're lost, don't panic. Just go down. Okay, we are going to say fees. As you can see, the minute you type fees, you get a lot of topics regarding fees. So you select whatever that you feel is suitable to your needs, and as you can see, it's usually free, like receiving and sending money. But the minute you don't have anything in your PayPal account, then that's when they charge a certain percentage. I hope that makes sense. So I'm going to select this one that says what are the fees for receiving payments in other currencies. Remember, I'm in South Africa and I'll be topping up my PayPal balance using my South African bank account. So that is from ZAR to USD. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to select that and see if I can find the answer that I'm looking for. Okay. It says, for full details about the fees for receiving different currencies, please log into your account and click fees at the bottom of the page. Fees will be charged in currency of the payment. Okay, I did not see anything in regards to fees, so that is why we came here. But anyway, as you can see, the 7 rands was not bad, because I was sending 8 rands, as you could see there. So yes, guys, that is how to use PayPal. It's really easy. It's not that complicated. And I know with people who loves taking surveys, surveys usually pay in gift cards or in PayPal. So yes, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or whatever disputes you might have, please leave a comment on the comment section below, and we will see you in the next video.